Chapter 8 compared two groups. Most real questions have more than two. 5 product areas, not 2. 3 machines, 4 suppliers. And the moment you have more than 2 groups, a trap opens up that catches almost everybody, including, as you're about to see, us. This lesson runs the same data 4 different ways. And one of those ways is going to make us go back and re-examine something we did earlier in this course. Workbench, toolkit, analyze phase, one-way ANOVA. Are any of these group means different? That is the question ANOVA asks, and it's worth being precise about it. Not which ones differ, just whether any of them do. New run. The data is the same HelioDesk export we've used all along, except this time it's all 5 product areas, not the 2 we singled out in Chapter 8. Groups go in one at a time. Billing 33 tickets, reporting 46, integrations 55, account access 40, mobile app 46, 220 tickets, the whole file, and the answer, F, 1.867. P, 0.1173. Verdict, fail to reject. Across all 5 areas, we cannot say the means are different. Underneath, the tool has also run Levene's test, F2.0, P 0.0956. Variance is homogeneous. That's one of ANOVA's assumptions checked for us rather than assumed. Now, the part that matters, and I want to be straight with you about it. Tukey HSD compares every pair, all 10 of them, while correcting for the fact that you are making 10 comparisons at once. Look down the significant column. No, no, no. All the way down, including this one, billing versus mobile app. Difference in means, 4.218 hours. Not significant. In Chapter 8, we tested that exact pair on its own and got P equals 0.0162. Significant. Same data, opposite verdict. So which one is right? Both are, and the difference is the question we asked. Back then, we had a single pair to test. Here we have 5 groups, and we chose the 2 extremes after looking at the data, which means we gave ourselves 10 chances to find something and reported the best one. Tukey takes those 10 chances away. And once it does, the gap doesn't quite clear the bar. It misses by about 0.02. None of that undoes the project. What proved the improvement wasn't this comparison at all. It was the pilot in Chapter 9, a paired test on the same 6 agents, before and after, at P 0.004. That is the evidence that carries the weight. This comparison was the thing that pointed us at billing in the first place. Suggestive, not conclusive. It's worth knowing the difference. There's a second reason to be careful here, and we proved it last lesson. This data isn't normal. ANOVA assumes that it roughly is. So, non-parametric tests. Kruskal-Wallis H, the K-sample version of the Mann-Whitney we ran back in Chapter 8. It compares ranks, so the shape of the distribution stops mattering. H 8.613, 4 degrees of freedom. P, 0.0715. Failed to reject again, though notice it lands closer to the line than the ANOVA did. And the mean rank table is worth a look by itself. Billing highest at 133.3. Mobile app lowest at 96.25. The ordering we expected is there. It simply isn't strong enough across 5 groups to call. And this is why. A box plot of the same 5 groups, the 5-number summary, with Tukey fenced outliers marked. Look at how much those boxes overlap. Every one of them sits on top of the others. 13 outliers across the 5, and the whiskers stretch a very long way. Now compare 2 numbers on billing. Its median is 8.3 hours. Its mean, the number we have been quoting since Chapter 7, is 11.76. That gap is the right skew made visible. A handful of very slow tickets dragging the average up, while most tickets sit a long way below it. The pooled median across all 5 groups is 7.45. Honestly, this one chart explains that F statistic better than the F statistic does. 4 tools, 1 data set, and a more honest answer than the one we started with. If I gave you a single rule out of this lesson, it would be this. Decide what you are comparing before you look at the data. Testing the 2 extremes you spotted afterwards isn't cheating exactly. But it is not the same quality of evidence as testing a pair you named in advance, and the correction is precisely that difference. Next lesson, the planning tools. Design of experiments, sample size, run charts, and the ones that help you decide what to do before you have any data at all. See you there.